Welcome. Today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first of all, we should get the X Recorder application to this device, and now just open it, and here on the down right corner you will see the icon, settings icon, and just here tap to the audio settings. Now that's smooth. You can choose one from these. For example, here just tap to allow to internal audio. Also we can choose the inter and microphone together. If you wanna, you can switch by just tap it once on this. If you want, you can just adjust the volume of the microphone and the internal audio, and also you can change the volume of your microphone just and also you can move that again. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.